Okay. Get these guys back in there. Come here. You think you're free? Freedom is just a reality that never existed. Get back in there. No, I don't want to do any of those. Now you guys stay. I said stay. Yeah. Okay, what do I have to do? 9 chickens and... I probably should grab more chickens because I think the lavas are meat eaters and I think I can just grab food. It's good I didn't have anything actually valuable on me, huh? Okay, see you guys there. And we just entered the zone. I just ran here as fast as possible, so nothing really different happened. Come on. Oh, yep, give me that. Don't need you. Get out of here. Okay, we got what we needed, but we need more. Come here, you roosters. You're stone hens. Oh, that's a pretty cool one. Fire one. Huh. Give me that. You know what? You're gonna produce 2. Nope. Okay. If you were a cat, that would have helped. You would have produced 4 in total. Okay, you have this. Give me. Okay, so I need a total of 5 more. Oh yeah, you're here. I gotta grab some vegetables for you, huh? No, hey, it's a map. I need to get more staminas. Well, that won't help me. I was training some other slimes, but... Okay. Get my stamina up. I guess I can't do that, huh? I can't jump over the area that I need to jump over. But all I do hope for is that the chickens in this area haven't been consumed yet. Freaking devoured. You guys are all rocks. This doesn't help me. No. No. I probably should have broke that against the ground, but I didn't. So I suffer the consequences. You, shoot out your chickens. I didn't have any. Really? I guess I'll steal your guys' plorts, huh? You rare individuals. Okay. I'm just gonna run to the cat place real quick. And we're here. No! I needed... Break this. Ooh. That's pretty cool. I will grab that the next time I come around. But I need chickens. Just normal ones. How hard can this be? Well, anything and everything is trying to consume all the chickens. All the normal ones anyways. Come on, one more. Yes. And that's quick money. I'm gonna take this back with me. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna break it right there too. No, double. That's pretty nice. I think I'm gonna go run back and grab those 2 afterwards. Got water plorts and boom plorts. So that helps. Hope you guys didn't escape while I'm gone. I forgot who I'm even doing this mission for at this point. Ah, Granny. Okay. Now, that's the thing. I have full inventory, so I probably should empty it. Okay, boom. No, what? Hey, what do you think you're doing, huh? You guys that hungry? Yeah, I guess my farm isn't producing that fast, so there you guys go. You can eat those too. I gotta put a net above you guys above. Okay, not gonna get too much from that, but you know what? It helps. Internet. Food dispenser would be great for later. These guys don't need a solar shield. Just produce. Mass production. You know, the best thing I could have done there was buy everything for the farm, but I did it all for the slimes. So now they're happy. Okay, let's see here. Light and Tabby. These are nighttime slime. I just remembered there is another slime in this area I can easily grab. Okay, what's your mission, huh? Well, can we just cancel you? You know, if I did find these ones, huh? I wouldn't give them to you. Gosh darn turtleneck sweater. Give me this, your food supply. I need it for Big Boy. And again, I think he takes fruit, so there's one of the. Gotta remember where he's located. Okay, that helps. Ah! I just didn't make it, and I did see that box, so I will go grab that box. Come on, box. Quick money, I guess. Now let's see here. I think there. Okay, let's see here. Is he where I think he is? I think that might be. Is it that one over there? I can't remember exactly. Let's see here. Where's the map? There's a couple somewhere along this lane right here. I think if I jump that wall over there, I think it might help. Yes, it does. Here he is. This lovely fellow. You do take fruit. I'm going to have to bring more fruit next time. That's a good thing I grabbed vegetables, huh? Get out of here. Run. Leave me alone. I feed you. Now leave. No. You get away. I need more keys. I had one more carrot left. I wasn't going to keep it. Nope. Guys, out of here. Nope. Not dealing with you today. I'll deal with you another day. Guess I'll just collect these and go to sleep. Because this character doesn't perform well when they don't sleep.